Today I'll be teaching you guys how to create an investment website. Right now you can see this website, you can see how unique and sleek it is. Okay, you can see it has a lot of pages. You can see the amazing front end design. Right, you can see reviews, customer reviews. So this site, I give it a 10 over 10. Right now let's log into the dashboard to see how it looks. Okay, so all right, now we are in the user dashboard. You can see how awesome this site look. It has the market, it has where you can deposit, where you can transfer funds. You want to transfer funds, you just come here, you choose asset. You want to transfer from your profits or you want to transfer from your capital, or swear you can also withdraw. You can see it's also going to ask you, are you going to withdraw from your capital or from your profit balance. All right, it has history where you came to check all your transaction. You can see I already have some pending transaction over here, and you also have your trade history, because this broker, you can trade both forex pairs and cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, so if you are trading cryptocurrency pairs, you can come here to check. Look at it, you see pairs just where you have it in your forex. You see loss. If your last trade ended in loss, it's going to appear here, and if you ended in profit, it's going to show here. You have your SL, which is your stop loss, and your TP, which is your take profits. All right, so this broker is a 10 over 10. Now if you want to make investments, also you have the investment plan. You can see you can go for any investment plan, and the most beautiful thing about this broker is once you see an investment plan you like or you can afford, you just click on choose this plan, then you make payments. All right, you make payment to the plan. Now it also gives signal. You can see you have the choice to pay for signals. If you are trading forex space and don't know how to analyze the markets, this broker is going to provide signals for you. See, you have 1 month plan, 2 month plan, and 3 months plan. Okay, so you have this your settings where you can change your name and do all of that. So it's really awesome. It's awesome and unique. All right, it's awesome and unique. Now here's the dashboard. You can see how amazing this user interface is. Right, very sleek and unique. You can see. Now if you want to trade forex pairs, you just come here, and if you want to trade with a demo account or your real account, you have some funds in your real account, you can just click your real account. Then it's going to ask you what pair you want to trade. Let me say let's trade you have USDT, USDBTC, you have a lot of pair. If it's cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, you can just click on cryptocurrency pair. But if you don't want to trade cryptocurrency pair, you check here, you click on stock, then it's going to show you stock. All right, you can trade on any stock here. But if you don't want to trade on stock, you want to trade on any other pair, maybe indices, you can click here. You can see it has GPP USD, GPP USD. So they're all of them. They are so amazing. Right now you can just let me click on GPP USD, then 1 minute time frame, then market execution. Then you can set your stop loss with the actual market price and all of that. Then if you are buying, you buy. If you are selling, you sell. So you see in this broker, why I call it a 10 over 10. Okay, so let's take a glance on how the admin look like. Right, let me, and also you can switch from dark mode to white mode. Right, see I've switched to light mode. Now you can see so beautiful. Some persons like the light mode, while others love and prefer the dark mode. So there's your own wallet. You can come here. So let me show you guys how the admin of this site look like. So I'll just sign out, then I'll log into the admin. All right, now I'm in the admin. You can see in the admin section you can fund accounts, you can fund profits, you can create NFTs. You see, this broker actually handles a lot of things. It handles NFTs, it handles Forex, it handles stocks, it handles crypto trading. So it's an all-in-one cryptocurrency website, right? So it's an all-in-one broker. So if you are using this broker, lucky you, all right? So admin can also approve packages. You can approve deposits. Maybe someone make deposits, you can just come here and click on approve, right? You can create NFT collections. Here you can see different type of NFT collections we have. You can fund profits. You see, you just click on the account you want to fund, then you fund the profit. Click on fund, right? You can also fund accounts. Maybe you want to add to the balance of somebody's account, you can just come here, click on it, then is it BTC, how much you want to add, you just type it, $5,000 or $7,000, then you just click on fund, right? Now the deposit history, where you come to check deposit users made, right? Then you can create a trade history for a particular account, right? Maybe you have a user account, you want to create an history for it, you can just create history for it, all right? And that's that for that. Then show that one. Packages panel. You know, the first time I told you about the packages whereby user can pay for the package they want. Maybe you have $500, you want to invest this, you just click on 500 plan. You have good, you click on good plan, right? Here is where you set those packages. Okay, you can create new packages as you want, right? You can create new packages as you want. See, just add your package name, add the minimum and maximum deposit, then you click on upload. So that's it. Then this is the withdrawal history, where you get to check where customers have withdrawal customers made. Then you send email. If you want to send email to a user, click the user you want to send email to, then you write your message, then you click on send, right? So the next one here is account status. For instance, a user has registered and you want to activate the account, you click on the account here, then click on activate, right? Let me, maybe the status you want to put, do you want it to display active accounts, do you want to suspend the account, do you want to click on contact support? Anything you choose here is going to reflect on the user dashboard, right? So this account has already been activated, so I'll just leave it. And here you have the website settings. This is where you change you set your broker name, your website name, you set the email. That after you have created your webmail, you put it here, you put your website URL, your admin name. Then you can set your Bitcoin address. All right, be careful to put your correct Bitcoin address, your ETH address, your USDC address. All right, that's it. You can put your TDO link if you have one. Then also you come here and set your logo. At it now, you can choose and upload your logo from here. So basically this is how you set your website. Now if you want to change your password, you head over to here. If you want to suspend an account, you just come over to here. All right, so you can see this broker is a 10/10. Okay, you can see this broker is a 10/10, and the admin, you can as well switch to light mode and dark mode. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys how to get this done. Now head over to your cPanel tools, right? Head over to your cPanel tools. I already explained how to get your cPanel on my previous videos. Head over to file manager. Okay, so you come to public_html, right? Then you click on upload, then click on select file, then we'll search for the file, right? Now I'll be dropping a description on how to get these exact scripts below this video. So if you don't have the scripts, you can reach out to me on how to get it, right? So I'll just carefully search for the scripts. Okay, that's it. Then you click on upload. So you allow it to upload. Basically it takes some minutes, but you just have to be patient for it to get to green and reach 100, right? Okay, that has been uploaded, right? So you click go back to home. Now this is the file we just uploaded, right? Now you right click on this file because it's in a zip format. You right click on it, then click on extract so that you get all the files. See, it's asking me where do I want to extract it. I want to extract it inside this public_html, so I'll click on extract files. I'll click on close. Then I'll open the folder, capital folder. Come here, settings, then okay, show hidden file. Ensure this show hidden file is always tick, just in case of any files that has been hidden. Okay, you click on save. Now all the files here are the investment website files, so I will click on select all, then I'll right click and I'll move them to my desired folder. You can see it's on capital folder. I don't want them on capital folder, I want them on the public_html folder. All right, so I'll click on move files. So let's check that. This is the public_html. You can see the files are here already, so that's cool. So the next thing I want to do now is to create our database, right? I want to create our database. So you go back to your cPanel tools, then you search for database wizard. Ensure it's the wizard to avoid any complication. So what will I name this? Our name is tech, right? Basically I name it with very little things I could remember. Then I'll name this with let me name this with web. All right, so scroll down, you click on password generator. I always allow it generate password for me. I don't want any complications, so I'll copy this password. Now you need to open your notepad to copy this password, right? So I'll open my notepad and I'll copy this password there. Then you click on I have copied this password, then click on use password. All right, now you see very strong. Now you click on create user. Okay, now another thing you want to do, you copy the username and database name. Look at it, you carefully copy it, then you paste it on your notepad as well. All right, so we are good to go. Now stay with me. Now you see this all privileges, you click on this box, accept all privileges, then you scroll down and click on make changes. All right, so we have successfully created our database. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to go to our PHP my admin. So you search for PHP my admin. Here is it. We want to manage our database now by uploading our SQL file. Okay, so stay with me. Now the database we just created, you can see I have tons of database here. So this is the database we just created. You click on it. Now you click on import files. You click on this import here, right? We want to upload our SQL file. Now you see the SQL file. Now look at it, SQL zip. How do we get it? You go back to your file, you scroll down, look at it here, Trade Pro SQL. You just download that. All right, it has been downloaded. So you go back to your PHP my admin, then you see we have already clicked on this import, then you click on choose file. Then this is the Trade Pro SQL. You just click on it, then you click on open. All right, then you scroll down and you click on imports. Okay, so as that is importing, we just have to relax for it to finish importing. All right, you can see it has successfully been imported. So the next thing we want to do now is now to connect our database to our main website. So you go back to your file manager, then you look for the database folder. Look at it here, database folder, then click on, you see connect.php. you right click on it and you click on edit, then click on edit again. You can see this is the database details here. We need to change all these ones to the database we have created, starting with the database user. You come here, you copy the database. This is the database user. You copy that, right? Then you go back and ensure you don't touch the columns, just the database name. Don't touch the columns at the back or at the front. You see, I didn't touch the column, so I'll just paste the database name there. You can see the column is still here and the column is still here. All right, now the next one is the password. So I'll put my cursor there, then I'll go and copy this password. This is the password here. I'll copy that, Ctrl C, then you carefully clean it and leave just the password, then you paste it, Ctrl V. Boom, you see that Now the last one is the database name. All right, so I'll come back and copy my database name. This is the database name. You copy the database name. All right, Control C. Then you carefully remove the previous name, the default name. Then you paste your Control V. Boom. Now you have done all these database settings here. Now you click on Save Changes. All right. Click on Save Changes. Now basically we are done with our website. How do we view this? Go back to your cPanel. Back to your cPanel tools. Now this is the website URL. Just click on it. Let's see what you have done. If it has uploaded, okay, it's showing default. You copy it. You copy the link. Copy the link. Let me open it on an incognito browser. All right, you can see that. You can see, so beautiful and unique. You can see. So this is how to build your own investment website, right? So if you need the scripts like this for this particular website, you can just message me. And please note that this is for only educational purpose only. Maybe you have a project, you're an IT student or computer science student, you have a project you want to carry out, you want to test out new stuff, you can consider this as an idea, right? So if you need